Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to solve a word problem based on quadratic equation. The problem is, in an orchard, the number of trees in each column is 5 more than that in each row. Find the number of trees in each column if the total number of trees is 1400. So let's see how to solve this problem. Solution: let the number of trees in a row be x, as we don't know how many trees are there in a row. The number of trees in a column is equal to, a condition is given in question that number of trees in a column are 5 more than the number of trees in a row. So therefore, if number of trees in a row are x, so number of trees in a column will be considered as x plus 5. Now the total number of trees is equal to number of trees in row multiplied by number of trees in column, that is x plus 5. But already total number of trees are given to us in the question and it is 1400. So therefore we can write x plus 5 is equal to 1400. Let's solve this. X into x, x square, plus x into 5, 5x. Remember, you have to multiply the number outside the bracket with each number inside the bracket, is equal to 1400. Now 1400 will be transferred to other side of equal to, therefore its sign will change. Don't miss out on this. So it will be minus 1400 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. X square plus 5x minus 1400 is equal to 0. Let's solve it. So the sign of first term into sign of second term, plus plus gives us plus. Sign of second term into sign of third term, plus minus minus. So do plus minus, that is do subtraction. Subtraction should be equal to middle term. So what is middle term here? 5. Product. Product is multiplication of coefficient of first term and last term, that is 1 multiplied by 1400. This is equal to 1400. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 1400 and subtraction is 5. So the numbers are 40 and 35. So therefore x square, first sign and the greater number, second sign and the second number. So x square plus 40x minus 35x minus 1400 is equal to 0. 5x is written as 40x minus 35x. Therefore, next, now we have to take common between first two terms and last two terms. So the common between first two terms, that is x square plus 40x is x. What we get in bracket is x plus 40. Now between last two terms, you have to pick the common in such a way that you get again the same bracket. So minus 35x minus 1400, we take minus 35 as common. What remains is bracket. What remains in bracket is x plus 40. The common bracket is written once. The terms outside the bracket are now written in new bracket. So x minus 35 is equal to 0. So therefore x plus 40 is 0 or x minus 35 is 0. Therefore 40 will be transferred on other side of equal to. We get x is equal to minus 40, or minus 35 is transferred on other side of equal to. We get x is equal to 35. But the number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore out of these two numbers, minus 40 and 35, x equal to minus 40 is unacceptable. Therefore, our value for x is 35. That is, number of trees in rows are 35. Now we are asked to find number of trees in column. Therefore, number of trees in column is equal to, we have considered number of trees in column as x plus 5. So here we will be writing 35 plus 5 because value of x is 35. So 35 plus 5 is 40, which gives us number of trees in column.